Student, today in this video I am going to explain the third part of this video. Look the paragraph. Anil made money by fits and start. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. Here in this paragraph, the thief, it means the writer, the narrator, said that Ani did not earn the money regularly, and whenever his money has spent, he just took borrow from others and paid those in the next week. He kept worrying about his next check. As soon as his money spends, he just start worrying about his check, and as soon as his check arrived, and with those money he went out with his friend and celebrate, and very early spent all the money. In this way, we can say that Anil was a very careless person. He wrote for magazine. The narrator further said about the work of Anil. Anil was a writer. He wrote something for magazine. A queer way to making a living. Queer, I stress, in this strange way he earns money. Now look the next. One evening he came home with a small bundle of note, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. The narrator further said, one evening he came with a bundle of notes, and when inquired, he said that he sold a book to a publisher, and in return he got this money. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress, and on that night, Hari Singh saw that he put the money under his mattress. Now look the next. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart means except from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. You know well that Hari Singh was a thief. So he said that he continually worked for a month with Anil, and except earning 1 rupees daily from the things which he purchased from the markets, and he did not do any work of his profession, as he was a thief, so he must stole or robbed someone. I had every opportunity for doing so. He further said that he got many opportunity to steal or rob him. Only had given me a key to door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. The director said that Anil trust him more. That is why he gave him a key of his house, and anytime he can enter in the house and go and out of the house as he liked. He further said that Anil was a very trusting person, and no one can trust like Anil on him. Even and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. The writer said that because Anil was a very trusting person, Anil trusted him much. That is why it is difficult to rob him. He further said it is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless person. Writer further said that it is easy to rob or to steal a greedy man because a greedy man can afford his money and realize that he can be robbed. But a careless person, to rob a careless person is not easy, it's very difficult because a careless person never notice that he has been robbed, or he never show his sorrow. Sometimes he does not even notice he has been robbed, and that take all the pleasure out of work. He further said that a careless person never mind that he has been robbed. That is why there is no interest, there is no pleasure to rob a person who was totally careless and not caring about his money, and he never worried what he had lost. Well, it is time I did some real work. I told myself I am out of practice. Hari Singh further said that when he saw the money kept under the mattress, at that time he decided rob rob Anil, because he told himself that if he did not do such type of work, he was really out of his practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friend. After all, he does not even pay me. He further thought that it is not bad to rob Anil, because if he did not rob, Anil spent all the money on his friends uselessly, and he did not give him any money. That is why he decided to rob Anil. Now, dear friend, dear students, note down the some question on this extract. The first question: how does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? The answer is, he think Anil will feel sad and hurt, not because of loss of money, but because of loss of trust. The second question: what does he say about the different reaction of people when they are robbed? The greedy man will show fear, the rich man will show anger, and the poor man will show acceptance. But a careless person like Anil may not even detect that he has been robbed. Third question: does Anil realize that he has been robbed? I think Anil realized that he had been robbed when he saw the wet notes, but he did not make a mention of it because he saw the shadow of repentance in the restore of money. Now look the next paragraph. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. The narrator further said that in night Anil was sleeping silently, and the rays of moonlight spread over the balcony and also fell on his bed. I sat up on the floor considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Hari Singh just sat up on the floor and checked the situation, and finally thought that if he took the money, he could easily catch the Lucknow express at 10:30 p.m. Thinking about his work, slipping out of the blanket, he came out from his blanket slowly. I crept up the bed. He just rested near the bed very slowly. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and light. The narrator further said that when he reached near the bed, he found that Anil was sleeping soundly without any worrying condition. His face was clear, his face looked very clear. There is no mark, there is no line on his face. Even I had more mark on my face. He compared his face with Anil. He said that there were many marks on his face, and some are mostly because of scare. My hand slid under the mattress searching for the notes. When he reached near the bed, he just put the hand under the mattress to search the note, and finally he had success to get the note. When I found them, I drew them out without a sign. And as soon as he get the money, he silently drew his hands on his side in sleep, and turned on his side. And in sleeping, Anil just took a deep breath and turned his side toward the thief. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. As soon as Anil turned aside, at that moment, Hari Singh completely surprised and to walk slowly on his knee, he came out of the room. When I was on the road, and slowly he went out of the house and reached on the road. I began to run. I had the notes at my waist held there by the string of my pajama. When he reached on the road, he started to run and he put the money for safety under the string of his pajama. I slowed down to walk, and when he was away from the house of Anil, he slowed down and started to count the money, and it found that total money was 600 and the notes were of 50s. I could live like an Isle rapes Arab for a week or two. Hari Singh further imagined that when he got this money, he just live a, his life like a Arab person, like a Arab rich person very happily. He spent those money on eating, drinking, and enjoying the life how he desire. Okay, now the next is the other video.